the thing that I think makes Hopkins Porter different than other contractors is not just the quality of the architectural services, the quality of the carpentry and the building skills that they bring to bear, but I think it's also of the personal nature of the way that they have dealt with us. We would not have had them do all these additions if we had not actually created relationships in which they came back when we had problems and then they fixed them. It wasn't always perfect, but when something came up, they actually always worked to do whatever was needed to make it work. And that created a lot of trust, confidence, and relational pieces that you can't find, I don't think, necessarily in most contractors that you hire. I mean, that's really, they've just been doing extraordinary work for us. So it's no wonder we came back I think it's been 5 additions. He thinks it's 4, but after 40 years of marriage, who's arguing, right?
But the only instructions we ever gave Kai or Hopkins Porter was that we didn't want our whatever addition we were building to look like an addition. We wanted it integrated into the house, and I would defy anybody walking into this house to figure out what was original and what has been involved.
And they've really done it seamlessly. Kai is a very unique man. First of all, he's a genius. He has an extraordinary sense of space and color and light, and his designs have been just incredible.
Can you remember the phrase that Kai used?
Our favorite phrase was, "We don't want to miss this opportunity to study this again." Kai was, we were trying to really get the front of the house to be really perfect, and so he really does. He has. We went to 5 layers of paint. We went a paint color down 5 different tiers on one light color. This is the wall in this room. And that was because of his aesthetic. We had to keep working on it and distilling. And Kai keeps going till it's, I think, perfect. That's who he really does strive for perfection. And I think our experience is he achieves it. They really are very sensitive to your needs. We did this addition living in the house, which I don't think in many contractors would have been feasible.
We've lived in the house for every addition.
That's true.
We've never moved out.
So that takes incredible sensitivity because with the dust factor, they've always had everything pristine when they finish working at the end of the day. They don't start their day at a time that really disturbs some of your own circadian rhythms. They try to be respectful. And the people that they hire have been just phenomenally wonderful. James and Ray and all these people that we've worked with over the years and have just gone out of their way to take care of our concerns. They've gone the extra mile many times for us.